Have you ever wondered, is there an AI tool that can actually generate music for free, unlimited, and still give you full commercial rights? Well, believe it or not, I just found one. And it's not only 100% free, but also totally unlimited. And yes, you can legally use the music for commercial purposes. That means you can drop it straight into your YouTube videos, your personal projects, or even your business, without worrying about copyright strikes. The tool is called SONAUTO AI, and honestly, it blew my mind when I first tried it. So let's dive in and check it out together. All right, first step, let's head over to the website, SONAUTO AI. You'll need to sign up or log in, but don't worry, it's super quick. Just an email and password, that's it. Nothing complicated at all. Once you're in, you'll see there are two main modes, simple mode and advanced mode. We're going to start with simple mode because it's perfect for beginners. The way it works is super simple. You just type into the prompt box what kind of music you want. For example, let's say I want an emotional pop ballad about falling in love all over again. I can even add an artist name like Taylor Swift. Now here's the thing, Suno AI will usually reject that or swap it out with some generic tags. But with SONAUTO, it works smoothly. When I hit generate, it creates a track that sounds like real studio quality music. And check this out. The result is pretty impressive, right? Next, I decided to try a totally different vibe. A grunge-infused rock song. Something emotional about finding light in the dark after heartbreak, written in the powerful, soulful style of Chris Cornell. And honestly, it nailed that deep, emotional vocal tone.
Shadow falls, but I'm still breathing. Found a spark while I was grieving. Broken walls, but I keep believing. There's a dawn somewhere I'm seeing. Let it rise, oh, let it rise.
Even better, if you don't want vocals at all, you can just switch on instrumental mode, and it'll generate a clean backing track. Perfect for YouTube videos, podcasts, or anywhere you need music without lyrics. And there's also fancy mode. It does take a little longer to generate, but the results are way more detailed and polished. Alright, so that's simple mode. But what if you already have your own lyrics written? That's where advanced mode comes in. Here you can paste your custom lyrics, then choose the style or genre you want. For example, I could go with alternative rock, pop rock, and even throw in a bit of that Coldplay vibe. The AI takes all of that and creates a completely new track based on your instructions.
We're chasing the sky, we're chasing the fire. Love is the rhythm that takes us higher. Every step, every song we sing feels like forever in a golden spring.
One quick tip though, sometimes it can sound almost exactly like a real artist. So be careful when dropping artist names. It's usually better to just describe the style or the vibe you're going for. Once your track is ready, downloading it is super simple. Just hit download, and you can grab the file in multiple formats. If you click on Get Video, SONAUTO will even generate a really cool lyric video for you automatically. But here's the best part. You can download the stems, all the separated tracks, completely free. Meanwhile, Suno AI actually charges you credits just to do that. So yeah, this is a huge advantage. Now let's do a quick comparison between SONAUTO and Suno.
In the quiet of the night we speak, words like jewels, they softly sneak through the air like whispers do. Love's a language just for two. Under stars we find our way. Hearts will listen, minds will stray. Every glance holds secret codes. In the silence, our love grows.
Using the same dance pop style, Suno gave me something that was okay, but honestly, the sound felt pretty flat and the vocals were kinda muffled.
In the quiet of the night we speak, words like jewels, they softly sneak through the air like whispers do. Love's a language just for two. Under stars we find our way. Hearts will listen, minds will stray. Every glance holds secret.
On the other hand, SONAUTO came out crisp, clear, and sounded like a professional studio recording. Right now, every song SONAUTO generates is about 1 minute and 35 seconds by default, but you can easily extend it just by editing the lyrics. All you do is hit edit, then choose where you want to add more. Before, after, or even at the very start of the track as an intro. Personally, I usually begin with the chorus because that's the heart of the song. But let's try adding an intro together. I'll paste my intro lines, hit generate, and the AI instantly gives me 2 different options to pick from.
Shadows fading as the night turns gold. Every dream is a story waiting to be told.
And just like that, the song goes from 1:35 to over 2 minutes long. Super convenient. One of the coolest use cases I've found with this AI is something called in-painting. Basically, you can upload any song and change its lyrics. For example, here I've got a song that Suno made, but let's say I didn't like a few lines in the first verse. No problem. I can just download that song and upload it into SONAUTO AI. It gets added to the project and shows up on the left side of the screen. Then I choose the option Referencing. Let's say I want to replace 4 lines in the song. All I have to do is highlight that section, either by clicking and dragging to select, or by typing in the start and end timestamps for a precise selection. Important tip: don't enable the crop to selection option, because if you do, it'll only give you back that section instead of the full song. Now in the custom lyrics box, I can write the new lines I want to replace. And in the sound section, I just type the genre of the track. In this case, it's RAP. Then we just hit generate and boom. The AI creates a new version of the song with the updated lyrics. Here's the original version.
Life's a game, but I'm playing it wise. Eyes on the prize, I rise and I strive. Every verse, every line, gotta feel alive. Staying real, staying true, that's how I survive. We rap to the beat.
And now here's the updated version.
From the city to the burbs, we unite tonight. Spitting truth, spreading love, taking flights, a rocket, and I'm setting the pace. Eyes locked forward, I'm winning the race. Every bar that I spit puts fire in the place. Keeping real, keeping raw, never losing my grace. I survive, we rap to the beat. We move to the flow, from the streets to the skies of the...
And here's the part that honestly shocked me. SONAUTO AI is completely free. No credit system, no hidden fees, not even a pricing page. And the best part, they actually allow full commercial usage. That means you can upload your music to YouTube, Spotify, or even sell it. And you don't have to worry about copyright issues at all. So if you've been waiting for a free AI music tool, this is it. Go try SONAUTO AI and let me know in the comments what kind of tracks you end up creating. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button. It really helps the channel. And hit subscribe to learn more AI tools, YouTube tips, and smart ways to automate your content. New videos every week. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. I'll do my best to reply to everyone. Thanks for watching all the way through, and I'll see you in the next one. Neural AI Codex, helping you grow smarter, faster, and more automated with the power of AI.